Hi guys, welcome to Everything Tech with Andy Best. If this is your first time of visiting this channel, make sure you like this channel, also subscribe to the channel so that when we post a similar video, you'll be able to get notified. So on this channel, we check out the latest development in technology and we bring them to you here live on this channel. So make sure you subscribe and press your notification button so that you always get notified. So for some reasons, I made a video a couple of weeks ago about how to install ArcGIS 10.8, and the video was not allowed to trend. I don't know, for some reason YouTube did not allow the video to trend, but not to worry. So like I said earlier, there's nothing to worry about. I've made a link available where you can go right straight to my Google Drive and download the video, the tutorial I've made on how to install ArcGIS 10.8. okay, and then I've also made provision for the download of the software itself. There's a link to my Google Drive where I've already downloaded the software and made it available for you, so you don't have to go to the internet and sub and start looking for a way to download the software. Now you don't have to waste much data in doing that. You just go straight to my drive and get the file downloaded to your PC, and then you download the video or watch the video, however, and ensure that you follow the guidelines on the video on how to install ArcGIS 10.8. So there were different requests from different persons from different forum and channel. So I'm dedicating this video to innovative youth in agriculture, youth. They're doing a great job, and also to NISGS National Forum. I'm also dedicating this video to Precision Field Academy and to the entire geospatial community. So this video is for you. If you're having challenges on installing ArcGIS, make sure you go to the comment line and go through the links. I have solved your problem for you. See you. Thank you. One love.